I've had a lot of questions recently about how to measure falls for compliance with the NCC, and we're going to answer that, but before I do, let's talk about why this question is pertinent right now. When the NCC 2022 was released, Part F2 included a new DTS provision, which states that a minimum continuous fall gradient of a floor plane must be 1 in 80. So let's have a look at what a floor plane is.
In geometry, a plane is a flat surface that extends forever in 2 dimensions but has no thickness. It's a bit difficult to visualize a plane because in real life there is nothing that we can use as a true example of a geometric plane. However, we can use the surface of a wall, the floor, or even a piece of paper to represent a part of a geometric plane.
It's important to acknowledge that AS3740, which is our internal wet area waterproofing standard, does also provide gradients of fall, but we're not going to talk about that too much as the NCC does override any adopted provisions. So with our knowledge of geometry, we can determine that in a standard wet area with a single drain point in the center, there's going to be 4 planes located around that drain point which shed the water towards that drain. Now, typically we would want to measure the furthest distance away from the drain point in order to figure out what the minimum fall is going to be. But we don't want to measure on the diagonal because that would no longer be measuring a plane, it would be measuring a valley between 2 separate planes. So now that we've established that we should be measuring the floor plane, and that is done by measuring perpendicular to the wall in the direction of the drain point, let's have a look at other planes that might occur in this wet area. Now the most obvious plane is the one that's going to be having water directly applied to it every time the shower is used, which is the finished floor level on the surface. That's where primarily 98% of water is going to shed to the drain at that level. But is there another plane? Well, if we jump back to AS3740 that we looked at previously, we can see that there is actually fall gradients nominated at substrate levels as well. So if we look at our section diagram again here, we can see that there are planes that exist not only at the finished floor level, but at the substrate level where the membrane might be applied. That could be overscreed, underscreed. These are all plane surfaces that do have a nominated gradient as well. So the 1 in 80 is going to apply at those levels. So the first tool for quantifying a fall gradient is using a digital spirit level. So it's much like a conventional spirit level with the bubble. However, it's been calibrated to measure and provide a digital output on the gradient that's been achieved, either in a ratio or in a percentage characteristic. So the way that this works, you apply it down to the surface of the floor, you take the reading off the top, and that's your result. The next method is a little bit more tricky, requires a little bit of maths, and that's the use of a laser level. So you'd set the laser level up in the room, you'd take 2 measurements, one at the high point against the wall, the furthest distance away from the drain point in a perpendicular manner, and then you would also measure the drain point and calculate the difference in height between those 2 areas. Now it's the relationship in that distance that the fall occurs over and the height difference between the drain point and the perimeter of the area being measured that gives us our ratio. So a total distance of fall of 2 meters, which is relatively large for a wet area, that would need to have a change in height of 25 millimeters in order to achieve that 1 in 80 gradient that we've nominated. While we focused our examples today strictly on internal wet areas, it's important to note that all of these discussions and techniques are equally applicable to external areas such as rooftops, terraces, balconies, and even planter box spaces. I hope you found this useful, and good luck with your falls.